All right, so we're going to continue to examine relationships. So this is when we're looking at a linear relationship and we're figuring out what does that actually mean, what does it look like. So in the previous examining relationships or representing relationships video, we were looking at a word problem and just kind of breaking down what does it mean, how do we actually interpret the information we're being given. Now we're going to look at these relationships visually, and we can see these visually in a line. Literally, they're a linear relationship. So they're going to have some kind of starting point, and they're going to change from that starting point. So it's going to increase or decrease by the same amount each period or term or part, however you want to describe that. But usually it's over time, or it's a number of objects or something along those lines, and it changes the same amount each time. So with this one, we have a store is selling laptops for $900 each. Use this information to fill in the table, then plot the order pairs given by the table. So a store is selling laptops for $900 each. That's not a lot of information, but it's enough information. I know what a starting point would be. If we think about the starting point, if a store is selling laptops for $900 each and they don't sell any laptops, then they have $0, right? They haven't sold anything, so they start at 0. They've sold 0, they've made 0. But if they sell 1 laptop, they've made $900. If they sell 2 laptops, they've made $1,800 or $1,800. So we can definitely make a table to represent this information. So we multiply the number of laptops by 900 to find the cost, because that's our pattern there. Each laptop is $900. So if I sell 2 laptops, then I'm going to multiply by 900 and I get 1,800. If I sell 6 laptops, I'm about to multiply by 900. If you notice, that's consistent. Each time I'm multiplying by 900, then I have $5,400. If I sell 8 laptops times 900, then I have $7,200. So this is our variable. This is the number of laptops is what's changing. What doesn't change is the cost. They're $900 every time, right? And then this is our output. This is the total cost. So down here, now that we're going to plot the ordered pairs, we have the number of laptops and we have the cost going up the side. So we literally just match that. So if I have 2 laptops, I'm going to go over to 2, and then the cost for that was $1,800. So I'm going to go to $1,800 here, which is that very first line. I'm going to put a dot there. And the next one was 6 laptops at $5,400, and then 8 laptops at $7,200. So with this one, it's not actually going to make you connect a line on Alex, not quite yet. They're just having you look at the ordered pairs. But you can definitely, I'll go back before we try that one. You can definitely see, we definitely can connect it to 0, 0, and it would continue to go up and up and up. So I could even look at this line and go kind of based on this line, I would see, well, 4 laptops would probably land right here around $3,600, which 4 times 9 would be $3,600 or $3,600. Remember, those are the same thing. Just 2 ways to say the same number. I can say $1,800, $5,400, $7,200. It's the same thing as saying $1,800, $5,400. It's just a shorter way to say it, or I don't know if it's shorter. It's just depending on preference, I guess. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try one more of these. So if Lamar earns $50 for each hour that he works. So not a lot of information, but definitely enough information. If Lamar works 0 hours, he's going to make $0. There's nothing here to tell us that he's going to make any money for not working, right? He works 0, he's going to make 0. But if he works 1 hour, he gets $50. If he works 2 hours, he gets $100, because that's 52 times. So we're going to fill out the table and plot the order pairs again. So we have 2 hours of work, $50 for each one of those hours, so he gets $100. If he works 4 hours, times $50 for each one of those hours, he gets $200. If he works 7 hours at $50 an hour, then he gets $350. So now we're just going to plot our ordered pairs. So at 2 was 50. 2 was 100. And then 4 was 200. And then 7 was 350. So we just plot those, and we can see this linear pattern happening. So I'm going up, 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 and I can connect a line visually if I just kind of pretend that I can see it there. We can see that line that could connect. And this would definitely go down to 0. If he's at 0 hours, he has 0 pay, right? So very linear pattern happening on these two problems. All right, so that was representing relationships, examining those relationships for a linear pattern. And this was in a table and a coordinate grid. So I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.